Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, we're going to solve for variables by plugging values into other variables that we see. So in this example, we have 3x plus 7 is equal to y, and we want to find the value of y when x is equal to 4. So all we need to do is wherever we see an x in our original equation, we need to change it to a 4. That will give us 3 times 4 plus 7 is equal to y. And now we need to simplify that left-hand side down. 3 times 4 gives me 12. Then we have our plus 7 equals y. 12 plus 7 gives me 19. And there we go. We solve for y. We have more examples, so let's just jump right in. Our second example here, we need to find y when x is equal to 3. Now this example has a little bit more terms in it, but that's okay. The process is the same. Wherever we see an x in our problem, in which case we have 2 spots, we need to plug in 3. So we end up with 2 times 3 plus 1 minus 6 plus 3 is equal to y. Now we just need to simplify that left-hand side. Remember our PEMDAS, we have 2 times 4, because parentheses comes first, minus 6 plus 3 is equal to y. 2 times 4 gives me 8. Then we have our minus 6 plus 3 is equal to y. 8 minus 6 gives me 2. And then 2 plus 3 gives me 5. So when our value for x is 3, our y is going to be 5. We have one more example to do, so let's go ahead and look at that one. Here we're finding our variable c when a equals 4 and b equals 1. So now we're plugging in the values for two variables, 4 for a, 1 for b. Let's look at that when we plug those values in. That will give us 4 plus 1 plus 4 squared over 4 minus 1. And that's going to be equal to our variable c. Now we need to simplify down that left-hand side. 4 plus 1 gives me 5. 4 squared gives me 16. 4 minus 1 is 3. That equals c. 5 plus 16 gives me 21 over 3. So we end up with c equaling 7. So even when we have multiple values for different variables, as long as we plug it in, we can find our last missing variable. That brings us to the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.